love the summit. I've been dying to come to the summit.
A lot of good speakers. I've been to a few keto summits, but this is a list of speakers that you can't beat.
I learned so much information that I didn't even know to begin with. I did a lot of research and study on keto.
Loving it, absolutely. It's my first, and I'm enjoying myself to the fullest.
I've lost 370 pounds on keto. In 2 years, I lost 346.
I've actually lost 80 pounds.
Wow.
Yeah, done really well. Feel super good.
Went from being a walker for 6 years to walking without a cane. By following the keto diet, literally changed my life.
And that is the secret of the keto universe, okay?
We love you and thank you.
There's a wrap now, guys.